G'day guys, today we are here at the Thermaltake booth at CES visiting some of their brand new cases that they have on display and some of their amazing water-cooled builds. Now, it's a bit unfortunate that a lot more people don't actually look at all of the display cases that are on show at all of the booths. Unfortunately, it's like people don't appreciate them as much as I do. So we like to show you guys all of the cool custom PC builds and water-cooled builds that everyone has on display, just so you guys get an idea of the amazing stuff that you can create if you go ahead and purchase this awesome water cooling gear for yourself. Now, of course, Thermaltake are pretty much a leader in water cooling. They had a lot of new water cooling stuff on display, but most importantly is all of the new cases they had display on the booth. The AHT600 is a really cool design case. It reminds me of sort of like a cockpit type case. So I think a lot of people are going to be very interested in that. The design it reminds me of the Cougar Conqueror / Antec Torque type style, except the motherboard layout is actually on a straight design, so it's going to be easier to route your tubes nice and parallel with each other. You then have the Level 20 RS, a nice case as well. It's actually got better airflow at the front because it's a nice mesh design. You've got the Level 20 HT that has been out for a little bit. That's actually what we built our computer inside of. Reminds me of the Tower 900 case, only a bit smaller version. Pretty cool case to work with. Again, lots of water cooling support. You've got the View 51, that's going to be a really popular case. Reminds me of the Lian Li case. You've actually got the slanted grommet holes where the 24 pin and that goes in. Then you've got the recessed back part where you can actually put your radiator, so it's got nice radiator support. It's got the front glass panel for good viewing and supports up to E-ATX, I believe it is. Then of course we have the Corp III, but it's called the distro case. So it's basically a Corp III like shape and the whole back panel is a distro. So you can get some nice crazy water cooling designs on there. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that and show you guys all of the cool custom PCs. I know you guys like this, and I want to leave you guys with a little thought. So being here early, setting up a case mod on display, I actually had the privilege of seeing all of the media come through. Now, this is all paid media, and I just wanted to listen in to see what they all had to say about these cases. Now, being a paid video, I was actually expecting a lot more in their videos. They didn't really talk a lot about, the water cooling support and everything. It was very blasé from a lot of them. Not all of them, but a lot of them just really brushed over a lot of cases. Now, I was expecting a lot more from paid videos. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys know of the videos that I'm talking about. You guys will probably see them over the next few days, but I just wanted to start some discussion in the comments. Do you guys think that paid videos should be gone a lot more into detail about the cases? These are all brand new cases coming onto the market, as I said before. And I just think that they should talk a lot more about these cases and their specifications rather than just breeze over them, saying like things like, oh yeah, you can fit 3 up the top, it's got this mesh up the top here, things like that. I think they need to go a bit more into it, but that's just my thoughts. Anyway, let me know in the comments which is your favorite case, what you guys think about paid reviews when it comes to events like CES. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.